Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Fortnite slow download in Epic Games Launcher. Let's fix it guys. First you just need to open up Epic Games and you just need to select the profile icon and select the settings. Scroll down and check mark throttle downloads. In here you just need to type 100,000. 100,000 has 50. After typing it, go back and just need to close the Epic Games over here. Click on the system tray, right click on the Epic Games and select exit. Select exit. And now go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. Now find Epic Games Launcher folder. Double click on it. Double click on the saved folder. Double click on the config folder. Double click on the Windows folder. Right click on the engine file over here and select open with and select notepad. And now whatever in here you just need to backspace it. And now check my video description for this text used in my video. Just copy the text and paste it in engine.ini and click on file and select save. After saving it, just to close stuff here. Now reopen the Epic Games Launcher. Go to library and start the download. Now your slow download problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.